Hello everyone. Welcome. My name is Leticia Perez and today we're going to talk about how to formulate a beautiful bronze color on darker levels. So as you guys can see, I already parted my beautiful model in 4 quadrants and we're going to start the pre-lighting process. So if you're all ready, let's get started. So for the lightening process, we are going to use Pure Light Ultra Lightener and our 20 volume. The proper mixture for this is 1 part lightener to 2 parts developer. We are then going to grab 1/4 horizontal subpartings and we are going to fully saturate the whole section until about 1 inch from the scalp. It's very important that we work with thinner sections when we are trying to achieve overall full lightening. So once I see that my whole section is fully saturated, I then take my brush and in a feathering motion, I feather all the way up to the scalp. I'm using this particular technique because I want to create a lived-in color that will make my model's natural regrowth more graceful and blend it into her blonde hair color. As you can see, my mannequin's natural level is about a 5. A very, very warm 5. I want to pull out all that underlying warmth out into the open so I can then formulate correctly for her blonde hair color. So now that my mannequin has been pre-lightened and treated with Silk Degrees Prep and Treat treatment, I'm now going to apply her shadow root. For my mannequin's shadow root, I'm using 5.22, which belongs to PRAVANA's Chroma Silk Cream Hair Color Beige series with 20 volume, from scalp to about 1.5 inches out, and I'm applying hair color out in a feathering motion, which will help ensure a nice blend when I apply the rest of her color on her mid-shafts to ends. Now that my mannequin's shadow root has been applied, I'm ready to apply the rest of her hair color. For this formula, I'm doing 0.7 ounces of 7.8 to 0.3 ounces of 5.22 and 0.7 ounces of 8.8 to 0.3 ounces of 522. The correct mixture for all PRAVANA Chroma Silk Cream hair color is 1 part color to 1.5 parts developer, and in this process, I'm using 10 volume. I am alternating both colors and applying to 1/2 inch subpartings, fully saturating. I know that 7.8 and 8.8 are just 1 level apart from each other, but for this look, I wanted to create almost a seamless dimensional hair color. It's all in the details, folks. And here she is, everyone, our beautiful bronze model, rocking a beautiful lived-in bronze using our one and only PRAVANA Chroma Silk Cream Hair Color Beige and Pearl series. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to connect with us on all our other social medias where you guys can enjoy videos, education, and anything in between, whether it be on our pravana.com, our Facebook forum, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. With that said, thank you so much for your attention and your time. And again, my name is Leticia Perez. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!